Hello everyone, it's me Arif welcoming you to my new logo design tutorial, and today I'll show you this type of dynamic D logo design. So let's get started. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. At first, going to the file and taking new options. From here, I'll take 2000 and 2000 pixels and right over there logo, that is D, and color mode you can take RGB for the web and CMYK for the print purpose, and then hit the create button, and then going to the rectangle tool and then drawing square shape. After that, turn off the fill color and stroke color is black. After that, here is some corner wedges, and you can get over there going to the view options and the show corner wedges and hide corner wedges. These options, if you press the hide corner wedges, it will hide, and view show corner wedges, it will show the corner wedges. That means you can make it round easily. Press the shift and hold it, select once over there, once over there. After that, you can make it like that. That's fine. Now going to the pen tool, freely I'll draw this one like that. That's fine. Press the escape button. That's good. And after that, draw another line. That's fine. And you can draw another line over there, so don't make it more curve. That's fine. Now we'll make this one shade of that. How to make the shade or color shade? You have to make this one like that, and then press shift M for the shape builders tool. You can make the shape like that, that and that. You are getting 1 2 3 4 shape. That's fine. And we'll provide the color this, and after this, and after this, and that will be more darker. Actually, the last one will be more darker. This, that's fine. Press Ctrl C and Ctrl F. C for the copy and Ctrl F for the forward paste, and make it rotation. And now we'll make the opacity a little bit of down. You are getting the dynamic pattern or like dynamic shape over there. You can make another rectangle over there, that is the square shape. That's fine. Make sure that that is the middle of this shape, so you can make group except this. Ctrl or Command G, and now you can make the alignment middle of that. That's good. That is the middle. Same pattern, press the shift and these corner wedges and make it like that. That's fine. Now we'll cut it out. Press shift M for the shape builders tool. Press option or alter button and hold it. Select once over there, once over there, there and there and that. So you're getting the shape properly. Make sure that these lines should be deleted. How to delete them? Going to the magic wand tool, select once in a line and delete. That's fine. Our logo 90% done, and all the stuffs will make group over there, middle of the artboard. That's fine. Now going to the text tool, select once in a text, taking another font. I'm using here the Nexa. You can use Nexa font or other font. Nexa bold over there, and I'll make the size which is 72%. That's good. And write down that's fine. You can make them all caps by using over there. Okay, making it a little bit of smaller, or you can use only 2 name, which is really nice. Using it a little bit of bigger, that's good. Making it middle of this alignment and press the alter option button. Now font size will be 1.6 divided by, and the regular, or you can use the next light. That's good. Your company tag line, that's good. I'll make this one smaller and arrange them into the middle of the artboard. For the better arrangement, right press, create outline, and then you can make them proper alignment according to this. Press the shift and hold it when you are making this, and like this. So making it all the group and middle of the artboard, that's fine. Now here this part and this part, which is really easy, we are keeping this beside, taking here like that one shape and the line over there and line middle over there, that's fine. Select all the steps, shift M for the shape builders tool, select ones here and select them like that. Delete the lines manually, Ctrl or Command Y, and select this line and delete, that's fine. Here we'll use a color like that, or this one should be color like this, actually light color, and this one should be the white one, that's good. And now we'll make the alignment according to this shape. Right press and arrange, send to the back, that's good. Press alter option button, make another copy of this, ungroup this one, and D logo will be over there. Make this one smaller like that, actually like this, and making them alignment properly, making it group. The key pointer of the alignment will be like this. This color will be white. Ctrl Command G, making it smaller and place over there. Right press and arrange, bring to front, making it group, and then middle alignment. And the another one will be over there, alignment will be like this, and this color, that means the name color, will be black. So the background should be, yeah, that's fine. And your dynamic D logo will be ready. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the new notification. Until the next video, ASM Arif signing out today. Bye bye.